In this video, I'm going to go over 6 edible gourmet mushrooms that you can grow. The first mushroom on the list is Black Poplar Pioppino. Its flavor can be described as earthy and nutty. When cooked, it develops a delightful aroma that enhances the overall culinary experience. I'll leave links in the description to video tutorials of each of the 6 mushrooms in this video. Next up on the list is chestnut mushroom, which has a rich and buttery taste that works well with sautéing, roasting, grilling, or incorporating into soups, stews, and stir-fries. When cooked, chestnut mushrooms maintain their firm texture while developing a deep, savory taste. The third one on the list is shiitake mushroom, which is known for its robust and meaty flavor. When you take a bite of a shiitake mushroom, your taste buds are greeted with an earthy, woody essence. The flavor is reminiscent of the forest with hints of damp earth and the subtle aroma of decaying leaves. It carries a delicate umami undertone which adds a savory richness and depth to the overall taste. Next on the list is hen of the woods, which is one of our finest edible mushrooms that has a meaty texture and a spicy, nutty flavor. It contains a natural flavor enhancer called L-glutamate, which causes anything that it's served with to taste even more delicious. The fifth mushroom on the list is lion's mane. It is noted for its seafood-like taste. Many people describe lion's mane as having a flavor and texture similar to crab, lobster, and other large shellfish. Lion's mane mushroom also takes on the flavor of whatever spices or sauces you cook it in. So if you cook your lion's mane in a spicy tomato broth, it will taste like the broth. In this regard, it is a lot like tofu, chicken, and other mushrooms. The last one on the list is Cordyceps militaris. The fruiting bodies of Cordyceps have the same vertical finger-like appearance as ocean coral. They have a savory umami flavor and an earthy, nutty taste similar to chestnut mushrooms. Since the mushrooms are long and spindly, they work well as a replacement for noodles in a pasta dish. These 6 edible mushrooms offer a delightful array of flavors, textures, and culinary possibilities that can elevate any dish and add a touch of natural wonder to your culinary adventures. Let me know what your favorite edible mushroom is by leaving a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.